The Yankees going for their second straight win over the Rays. No score in the first. Gary Sanchez delivers yet again. An RBI single off Alex Cobb makes it 1-0 New York. Now 3-0 in the second. Sanchez at it again. This time a 3-run homer. He just doesn't let up. The Yankees take a 6-0 lead. Now 7-1, bottom half of the third. Evan Longoria goes deep off Masahiro Tanaka. His 36th of the season makes it 7-2. Next batter up, Brad Miller makes it back-to-back homers. It's a 7-3 game. The Rays still not done in the third. How about 3 in a row? Corey Dickerson goes yard to make it 7-4. But in the sixth, it's Sanchez at the plate. It's getting ridiculous now. His second home run of the game, 19th of the season, this time off Justin Marks. All you can do is bow down at this point. He's the fastest to 19 home runs in baseball history. The Yankees go on and win it by a final of 11-5 and are within 2.5 games of the Orioles for the second wild card spot in the AL. The Yankees go for the sweep Thursday. Luis Cessa up against Blake Snell.